Hi, it's Beth with Our Magic Adventures. We're here at the Sapphire Falls Resort. It's a universal resort, a Lowe's hotel, and we're going to stay here for a couple days. We're going to go to the parks, we're going to do a room tour, and we're going to check out the resort. So why don't you join me? So here we are at the entrance, and they have valet parking. Oh, by the way, they have pet-friendly rooms. So if you have a pet or a service animal, you can get a room here for your pet. Look how beautiful that is. The building with the blue windows is the Adventura. The building in the distance with the colors and the circles, that's Cabana Bay. So you can get valet parking, or you can go in that direction. There's self-parking in a garage. So let's go in. Here we are. Regular check-ins over here, and they have mobile check-in, and they have a concierge desk. Nice lobby area. They also have a vacation planning center. Universal store. You have a great view out to Islands of Adventure. Strong Water Tavern. They have 4 restaurants here. One is a pool bar, or you can get food by the pool. Then they have a nice restaurant, Amistad, I think it's called. And then they have Strong Water Tavern, and then they have the Old Dutch Trading Company, which is a grab-and-go kind of place. It also has coffee and ice cream, and it has food, hot food too. And this is a stairwell that goes down. It's really cool. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our room. It's on the 3rd floor in Guest House 3. So there's Guest House 1, 2, and 3, and Guest House 1 is to the left when you enter the lobby. Guest House 2, you go straight on the left, and Guest House 3, you take a right. So let's go take a look at our room. So we're in room 3328, and it is a hearing impaired room. Not that we are needing that, we just got that when we checked in, so that's fine. So when you enter, come into a little foyer area, and you have a mirror, full-length mirror. So everything's painted this nice blue color. Love the tile. And then we have a closet. And in the closet is an iron and a hair dryer. Sorry, you can't see it very well. We have our stuff in here already. So we have a hair dryer with a diffuser on it, by the way. And then of course hangers, ironing board, and then we have a safe. So you enter your own code on the safe, so it's easy for you to remember. Don't forget it though. Okay, so this is the little entrance closet. I'm standing by the closet, and now I'm looking into the wet area. And look at that mirror. Isn't that pretty? It's 3 different colors. Then you have a sink, and then underneath you have extra towels and wash rags and hand towels. And then here is what they're offering for the shampoo and body wash and soap. It's Julian Farrell. And then over here in this little canister, Q-tips and cotton balls. Tissue. makeup mirror. Looks like it's lighted. Yes, it is. So, you know, makeup mirrors. Whoa, whoa. And then neat feature is in this mirror has a light, and it can go brighter. Let's see how bright it can go. There we go. Yeah, how neat. And then we have a barn door here that goes to the, so I'll just slide it shut. And we'll slide it open. And then this is the toilet area. And the bathtub shower combo. Let's take a look at that shower head. Nice. It's nicely tiled in here. Nice sized tub. Good soaking tub. Okay. Very nice. Very well lit in there. Again, you have your products for bathing and washing your hair. And then we go back out. And now we're going into the bed area. We've already brought our stuff up, so you're going to see our bags and whatnot. But here we are. We have 2 beds. Queens. Very nice. The lamp on the left side of this bed, you can turn it off and on. Same with the ones in the middle. Of course, we have a clock. They give you some hand sanitizer, phone, and for those of you that like to know if we have USBs, here we go. It's your outlet. Here's a side table, drawer. Give you 4 pillows per bed. Very nice. On this side, we have a chair with a lamp, floor lamp. You can turn that off and on. And then on this side, we have a desk. A nice painting at the beach. Look at that garbage can. It's a pail. They do give you some water. However, you do have to pay for it. They do have a coffee maker, so if you want to bring your own K-cups, you can. Or you can use what they have. I've had that French roast. I drank it black and it tastes pretty good. So I don't know what their brand is, but it's pretty good. They have a nice sized television with a remote. And then it sits on top of a cabinet with 4 drawers. So if you like to take your clothes and take them out of your suitcase, when you go somewhere, you can unload and put them in these drawers. There's plenty of room underneath if you like to put stuff underneath, the things you purchased, or maybe your suitcases. And over here, mini fridge. Again, we're in this room, so we have some stuff in here. It's decent size. There's no freezer, so remember that. There is a room, there's a door here to the room next door, so if you wanted adjoining rooms, you could get that. Over here is where your thermostat is. Now, we have a really nice view out. Of course, it's raining right now. Hopefully we'll be able to show you when it's not raining. This is our wet view out. You can see people walking They're walking from Universal. See Universal in the background. These people are walking from Universal. We happen to be looking at the boat launch where you take the boat over. But right now it's not running because it's raining. And then over in that direction is the lobby. There are 1,000 rooms in this resort. So yeah, it's a nice room. We have 4 people staying here, and we're looking forward to our couple days here. We're going to be going to the parks. So if you have a chance to stay here, check it out. The seating area off of the lobby. It's very crowded in here right now because it's raining outside. And I think a lot of people have come back from the parks.
First 2 pages are going to be our rum-based cocktails that we offer here. We do have a full bar as well, so if rum's not your thing, we can definitely accommodate. As far as food goes, all Caribbean style tapas, so plates are a bit on the smaller side. Desserts are going to be on the bottom right corner as well. You're also going to have our rum selection if we were interested in flights or single shots.
Wow.
Wine list, and our beer, bottle and draft all the way in.
So our daughter joined us and she's having a blueberry mojito but non-alcoholic because they don't have frozen non-alcoholic drinks here.
So I ordered the seafood tostada. It's seafood on a blue tortilla, and I'm about to try it. So as you can see, I really like the seafood tostada. It was absolutely delicious, and I also had a blueberry virgin mojito to go with it. Very good. So that, I think it paired quite nicely. And then we also had the sliders and chicken tenders. They were very, very, very good. So the Universal store. E.T. The Dutch Trading Company is the grab and go area. So they have coffee, and they have pastries, and they have sandwiches and soups and stuff you can have for the morning, snacks, and then they have shakes and soft serve. And over here they have drinks, some more snacks. So here we are in the pools area. It's really pretty. Here's some cabanas right here. Looks like you get a table. Let's go to this one because they have everything on. Get 2 lounge chairs, a menu for food and drink, a dining table, more towels, TV. You get a couch, ceiling fan, and a telephone. So that's nice. They have them all throughout the pool area. Some are in the sun. Just depending on what time of day you're out here. Oh, it looks so refreshing. This is 3 feet right here. There's a little marker right there. And in the middle there where that little ball is and the 2 pool noodles, that's a walkway. It's so shallow there, you just walk straight across. Here's a little splash pad area for the kiddos.
And then they have a dining area over here. So if you don't want to eat at your lounge chair, that's nice. And then this is where the restrooms are. And this is where you can get your towels. Here they have a fire pit. And I know they sell s'mores kits in the Old Dutch Trading Company, the Grab and Go. I saw them. So you can have s'mores here. Or I should say you can make your s'mores. A little beach, sandy area. This is the pool bar and restaurant. It's called the Drum Club Canteen. It's got that same stone mill facade. And you can probably go online and see their menu. Over here is another hot tub. This one has ADA access chairlift. Kalima Health and Fitness Spa. It's huge. It's a really big fitness room. You have a lot of equipment, weights, they have restrooms inside, all kind of machines. Yeah, this place is huge. Here's a shot of the arcade. That's our resort tour of Sapphire Falls. It's a lovely resort. We enjoyed staying here, so close to Universal. We took the boat. You could walk, take the bus. It's themed so well. It looks like colors you would think of the Caribbean: green, blue, coral, sands. You have sand beaches. You have a lovely pool and lots of nice restaurants. To get food that's not just your normal fare, but you can also get Caribbean themed food. They have a really great rum selection. So if you have a chance to stay here, I think you should do it. So why don't you join us on our next magic adventure. Bye.